Hello guys, Victor here back with another tutorial, and today I'll be teaching on how to make a clean abstract with a header in Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. So by the first thing what you should do is to go file and press new. The width is going to be 3000 by 1000. Some people also use 1500, but the actual ratio is 3000 by 1000. Give it to 16-bit and RGB color mode, resolution 300, and press OK. So I actually have the canvas, so I'm just gonna edit with this. So the second tip what I'm going to do is to gonna place my image. So I personally make my designs using my pen tool and stuff like that. I got this from a pack. I think it's Visuals Revolutionary pack, something like that. I think it's from Visuals Revolutionary pack. So I'll link it in the description so you guys can go and check it out if you want. So as the second thing, if your image doesn't fit well, you have to really get it down or just blend it with the image. You have to resize it so it looks correct or it partially looks right for your image. So I'm gonna resize it like that and place it in the middle. So two ways of placing is gonna CTRL-A. I'm gonna go for a move tool and hit this one and this one, but sometimes it doesn't really work. So I'm gonna do is just place it like this, like that, and it's actually done. As the second thing which I do, I'll actually edit my image. How I do this, I'm gonna go for layers. I'll go to the layers and go to curves just to make it aggressive. I'm gonna take the bottom part a bit down and take the upper line a bit up so it makes the red dark and the black more darker, so it might look more aggressive. And the second thing which I'll go for vibrance and increase the vibrance of it and increase the saturation of it, so it not that much, something like this, it would look perfect. So as the next step, what I'm gonna do is to go for brightness and contrast. So just reduce the brightness because it looks more aggressive. So increase the contrast, it might give a dark, like a theme, like a reddish theme effect in your Twitter header. As the next thing which I do, I personally go sometimes for photo filter, but I'm not really good in it. So I'm going to go for exposure, just increase the exposure a bit and reduce the offset. If you increase the offset, it might look a film grain look, so I don't actually want to get that effect when I'm making Twitter header. So actually it's kind of done. So I'm going to go put this in a group, CTRL-G, or you can click this group icon. Anyhow, it's just gonna do the same effect. So I'm just gonna show you guys a quick before and after effect. Now see, this looks like very more aggressive and cool as I know. So moving on to the next one, what I'm gonna do is add the text. So I think the font of the text is gonna be Moongate, or you can choose your own font. You're free to do it. And by the way, I'm gonna give this template for free. So hope if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and download this PSD. So it's like that. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to place, I'm gonna add my text. I'm just gonna go like name. I'll go like Victor. I'm gonna change the font of this. I think I actually like mess around with this font, like not pretty sure with the font. Like I'll go and check it. Like I think Mignoral tightening. No, this font is like, I don't know, I'm not good in it. So I'm gonna go here and take for Moongate. That's kind of an okay font, like that really gets off the image. So I'm gonna make this pure white. So obviously I'm gonna make this white, and I'm gonna make this layer style. I'm gonna add a layer style for this obviously. So I'm gonna make this white. I'm gonna go characters and give it for pure white, so it looks cool in this image. I'm gonna go vector, and down in the bottom part I'll make like a small effect like calling vector graphics, like that, like graphics, like so like that. I'm gonna reduce the size of the text, like I'm gonna go characters and reduce the size of the text by pulling this down, and that's obviously I think it's fine. So I'm gonna just increase the vertical alignment of that so it moves throughout. It just gets blends with the image and looks perfect. So hopefully I think the text and stuff is actually done for me. It's like alright. CTRL-A, I want to make this in the center, and even the vector CTRL-A, this in the middle. Check in the middle and take this graphics down bit. Clicking on the graphics icon, CTRL-D, and just take this graphic down. So hopefully the text part is actually done. I think my vector, the text looks more bigger, so I'm gonna go characters and reduce the size a bit, like one about that. So like that. So what I have to do is also go for graphics and also change the character of that with text like that. So hopefully, yeah, it's actually done. It looks cool to me, and I'm just gonna align that. I'm just gonna do it. So it's actually done, guys. Hopefully this looks really cool for me. And at the last part, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a new layer on the top. And what I'm gonna do is to add some vignette, like a black shade in the edge of the pic, the Twitter header. I'm gonna go like that, and also here, that, and so it looks nice. When it go and reduce the opacity around 50%, something like that. It's just personal preference, guys. It's all about how you feel about the design. Like, not 40, it's maybe 50, and that looks really perfect. As you guys can see, the cinematic effect it might give. So it might give a cinematic effect like that. So the next thing what I'm gonna do is layers, make a new layer. I'm gonna go for my brush and give it for white, and as all designers do, I'm just gonna click white on the top like that, so it gives a kind of a light source to the image, and it might look more natural than any other designs. As the last thing which I do, no, it's not the last thing, so sorry, I'm gonna go and add some layer styles to it. Like, I'm gonna go and check out some layer styles if that's okay. Something like this, yeah, something like this is like super layer style. So I'm also gonna add this layer style to my graphics also. Maybe this, it might not suit like this, maybe this. Yeah, so hopefully my text and this thing is done, but I'm pretty sure graphics might go with some red effect, if that can be seen. So yeah, something like this, so the graphic looks cool. So hopefully I think the text part is absolutely done, and if you want to add your socials, you can go download it and place it in your image somewhere around here and just add your socials if you want. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna teach you all the main basics of it. So I'm gonna go for layers again. What I'm gonna do is to go these layers, I'm just gonna group this. How you do this is clicking on the group icon, and yeah, name it if you want layers, but I'm going to give it like group 2. As the last thing, what I'm going to do is to go here onto the group 1, which I have an adjustments, go on top of the exposure and add the hue and saturation, because we cannot ever design the best thing is like best thing is red. So I'm just going to scroll around this to get wow, all the gradients look like super. Wow, this looks awesome, as I know. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. Yeah, it looks really cool. So this effect is really cool. So you can use this hue and saturation effect to all of your layers, all of your editing, because it might just change your colors and give you a very peaceful or a very awesome design, guys. So guys, hopefully you did enjoy this video. That's all for this video. So as always, please smash that like button, and I'm going to be giving this template for absolutely free, so you can just download it. The link is in the description. Furthermore, feel free to comment down below, and if you have queries, you can just DM me on Instagram or Twitter. I'll reciprocate back to you as soon as possible. And furthermore, guys, go and check out my Sellfy page, because all of my templates and packs, maybe like GFX pack, if I do, it would be in the Sellfy page, so you can go and check it out. And as always, I say please make sure to subscribe to my channel to turn on notification. And if I'm also gonna try to do some collab with someone. If anyone wish to collab with me, just if you want, just comment down below with the channel name. I might collab. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you enjoyed the video, please smash a like button. I would really appreciate that. My name is Vector, and I'll see you guys in the next one.